In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline text in Adobe Express. If you want to make your text stand out more in a design, adding an outline is a simple and effective way to do it. It can help improve contrast, make your words easier to read, and give your text a more polished, styled look. The good news is that in Adobe Express, this is very quick to do. Start by opening your project in Adobe Express. Make sure you're already inside the design where you want to edit your text. This could be a social media graphic, presentation slide, thumbnail, flyer, or any other project. Once your project is open, take a moment to locate the text you want to modify so you can apply the outline to the correct element. Next, select the text box that contains the text you want to outline. This step is important because Adobe Express needs to know exactly which text element you want to edit. When the text box is selected, the editing options for that text should become available, allowing you to customize its appearance. Now look over to the left editing panel. In that panel, find the outline color swatch and click on it. When you do, a color picker will open. From there, choose the color you want to use for the text outline. This is where you can style the text to better match your design. For example, you might choose a darker outline to make light text pop, or use a bold contrasting color if you want the outline to be more decorative and eye-catching. If you also want to change how thick the outline appears, look for the outline thickness option right beside the outline color setting. Click on Outline Thickness and then adjust the slider. Moving the slider will let you increase or decrease the thickness of the outline until it looks the way you want. A thinner outline can give a subtle, clean effect, while a thicker one can create stronger emphasis and make the text stand out even more. As you make these adjustments, keep an eye on your design so you can find the balance that looks best. The goal is usually to make the text clearer and more visually appealing without overwhelming the rest of the layout. And that's it. Once you've chosen your outline color and adjusted the thickness if needed, your text will be outlined in Adobe Express. It's a fast edit, but it can make a big difference in the overall look of your design.